though we've done this for 9 years, we just haven't done it here on this property ever. So our 10th year, we're bringing it to the sculpture trails. And today, it would be our second test run.
So what we're doing is weighing out a type of coal called coke. There's going to be 8 pounds of coke for every 48 pounds of iron. And then we put them in the consecutive layers in the furnace. And so each layer of the coal burns up and melts that layer of iron above it. So they work hand in hand.
In July, we've created an event to wrap the community around this whole workshop, and we're calling it Picnic in the Park. And it's every Saturday we pour at 4. So every single day of July, the community is welcome to come out throughout the whole day, bring a picnic, enjoy all the sculptures around the trails, do a picnic up here in the fields, and throughout the whole month you can buy a scratch block and do a little relief sculpture, and then every Saturday we'll be pouring the public's pieces at 4 o'clock.
Awesome to actually see so many years of work and dedication and by all the crew and all of it coming to fruition here, and it's just been a lot of effort and excitement to build up to this moment.
Jump down?
Yeah. Jerry, let's tilt, come swing towards me a little bit more.
That's what ever happened for all of us.
Yeah.
So,
in honor of all your support, we have decided to honor you by naming the furnace after you, and she will be known from this day forward as Lady D.
All right! Woo!